stand straight when you're singing the national anthem. Say please whenever you are asking for something. Always be on time. Say excuse me after sneezing or coughing. Sneezing or coughing.
Things that are kind, polite, and helpful to everybody. As with the house chores, always ask permission when borrowed. Say
Be a
thank
good
you whenever you
friend. Be a
receive
good
something.
friend.
Ebert, pwede basahin mo yung good manners and right conduct?
Good manners and right conduct. Good manners. Dito po.
Diyan na lang sa'yo yung copy mo.
Copy po. Ipa po. Ito po lang good manners po. Basahin ko po ito. Thank God every meal time. Be kind, polite, and helpful to everybody. Help with the house chores. Always ask permission when you're borrowing. Say thank you whenever you receive something. Knock before you enter. Respond politely when you are spoken to. Stand straight when you're singing the national anthem.
When singing the national anthem.
Say please whenever you are asking for something.
Permission
For something.
for something.
Always be on time. Say please after sneezing or coughing.
Okay, good job. Pwedeng paliwanag mo sa amin isa-isa yung mga binabasa mo?
Thank God every meal time. Magpasalamat tayo sa Diyos pagkatapos kumain sa oras.
Bago kumain. Okay.
Be kind, polite, and helpful to everybody. Maging mabait, magalang, at matulungin sa ibang tao.
Good job. Palakpakan naman si Kuya. Next.
Help with the house chores. Tumulong sa gawaing bahay.
Okay.
Always ask permission when you're borrowing. Magbigay ng pahintulot
Humingi
ng pahintulot bago kunin po. Bago
Basta, hindi. Explain mo
borrowing.
word by word.
By word po. Ask
permission, humingi ng pahintulot.
when bago manghiram. Bag ng hiram.
Okay, good job.
Borrowing. Say thank you whenever you receive something. Magpasalamat sa ating natatanggap na something.
Na something like bagay. Okay.
Knock before you enter. Kumatok bago pumasok.
Ano yung knock?
Knock, kumatok po.
Okay. Enter.
Pumasok po.
Okay.
Respond politely whenever you is spoken to. Polite. I respond.
Sumagot. O mag-reply.
Polite. Magalang.
Nang magalang. Sumagot na magalang.
Sumagot ng magalang kapag
May kinakausap.
May kinakausap.
Okay,
O,
good job.
kinakausap.
Palakpakan naman si Kuya. Yan ang maganda. Alam nyo yung ibig sabihin sa Tagalog. Okay? Ibig sabihin, naintindihan nyo na yung meaning ng mga words. Okay?
Opo.
Palakpakan namang masigabong palakpakan siguro. Okay. Next.
Stand straight stand straight when singing the national anthem. Tumayo ng matuwid, maayos when kumanta,
Pag kinakanta
ang
ating national.
anthem.
Okay.
Anthem. Say please whenever you asking for something. Ano yan yun? Say please, please. Please po. Please parang
Sige, please.
please. Yung ano po?
Whenever.
Please whenever you are asking for something.
Okay, di ba doon? Meron na yan kanina.
Wala po.
Okay, sige.
Say please.
Gumaganda na yung sulat mo. Palakpakan naman si Kuya Albert sa kanyang sulat. Ay, nasa na sa'yo?
Po, ano po, nawala po. Pero naano po, inaano ko po yung sinusunod ko po sa kami para gumanda po.
Okay.
Ito po yung line po.
O, sige, next.
Ito ba?
Ade, okay na yun sa'yo. Si Angela naman. Angela?
Thank God.
Hindi, wag tayo dyan. Tapos na si kuya mo dyan. Spelling naman tayo sa'yo. Spelling. Okay? Angela? Spell polite.
P-O
Polite.
L E
P-O-L. Polite. Angel, spell polite.
P-O-L-I-T-E.
May binabasa ka ba dyan?
Hindi po, ito po.
Okay, ano natin? Spell polite.
P-O-L-I-T-E.
Okay, palakpan naman si Angel. Okay. Angela, spell house.
H-O-U-S-E.
Okay, palakpakan si Ate Angela. Spell helpful. Angela.
H-E-L-P-F-O-L.
Angel, spell helpful.
H-E-L-P-F-O-U-L.
Palakpakan naman si Ate Angel. Angela, spell course. Help. Ano pa lang ibig sabihin ng polite?
Galak po.
Okay. Helpful.
Matulog po.
Okay. Good job. Permission. Spell permission, Angela.
P-E-R-M-I.
Lakasan po yung boses.
P-E-R-M-I. O-N.
Angel, spell permission.
P-E-R-M-I-S-S-I-O-N.
Palakpakan naman si Ate Angel. Kinikilabutan ako, oh. Grabe. Kay Albert, dating mahirap magbasa. Ngayon, oh. Angel, Angela. Angel, magaling. Si Angel Kategram, magaling siya eh. Kaso kulang siya ng ano, yung confidence. Yun yung Yun yung aayusin natin, yung confidence. Wait lang. Kaso bakit hindi yata nakakonect yung mic natin? Dinig kaya tayo? Okay. Sana dinig tayo, walang mic. Okay. Next. Angela. Knock. Angela. Knock.
K.
Huwag niyo ko titignan. Lakasan niyo lang boses niyo. Knock. Ate Angel, knock.
K-N-O-C-A-K.
Okay, palakpakan si Ate Angel. Ano yung knock? Ano yung knock?
Kumatok po.
Kumatok. Okay. Next, Ate Angela, spoken.
Spoken.
Hmm.
S-P-O-K-E-N.
Palakpakan naman si Ate Angela. Okay. Angela, straight.
S C
Hmm.
A
Stand straight.
S
Hmm.
E Stand
Stand straight.
A D S E
Okay. Bigyan natin ng pagkakataon. Ano, kasi para walang mic tayo.